Respected teachers and my dear friends, good evening to one and all. This is V. PRIYA SREE. I am pursuing 9th grade at LOKSHITH tutorial. Today I want to present interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I will say complete seminar regarding soil pollution. Let us go to seminar. In this chapter, we have to know our environment is composed of atmosphere, earth and water. The interactions of atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. It was clean and enjoyable. Due to the variations of activities of humans like industrialization, transportation and agricultural. We Indians worship earth as a mother. In this chapter, our first topic is what is soil. Soil is one of the three natural resources. It was alongside air and water. It was a marvelous product. Now I will show picture. You can see in this picture air 25%, minerals particles 45%, water 25%, organic matter 5%. And our next topic is how soil is formed. The long years to make soil. It can take 100 to 10,000 years to make 1 inch of topsoil. We are seeing so many mountains near our areas. How the mountains are dropped down into small pieces and that small pieces drop down into a sand. Because of sunlight and weather, the rocks was there was big hills that was converted into small pebbles due to the parent material. Parent material is come down breakdown of particles. Our next topic is soil properties. There are three types of soil property: chemical, physical and biological. Crop. What is the quality of crop? Crop from agriculture soil. Qualities depend on quality of agriculture crop. Now you can see here people, animals, plants. This is the biological, physical and chemical. People, physical and chemical. People, plants, animals. Biological. Biological, roots, weeds and fertilizers. And bacteria and fungi, insecticides and earthworms. Physical, air, water, organic manure. And chemical, NPK, micro, macro and pH and salinity. And our next topic is soil fertility. Now I will show three types of soil fertility: physical, chemical and biological. These are the physical, chemical and biological. Fertility is closely associated with the properties of physical, chemical of soil and it was defined as a capacity. Physical, well-developed structures and aquatic properties of saline exchanges, impulse of the watering capacity. Biological, abundance of biological activity, human available for plants and cycling of nutrition. Chemical, polluted and available of mountains, opponental force of elements. Properties of soil. This is the soil property picture, depend on soil property picture. Here you can see the picture of soil property. And this was endothermic bacteria, white color, and red color ribosomes and bacterium, and green color other bacterium. Depend on soil fertility. And our next topic is soil pollution. We Indians, the water do not come from our forefathers. It was the loan for our children. This was we should return to our children. And the children should return to others, their children. These words said by the Mahatma Gandhiji for soil pollution. Soil pollution. How the soil pollution was doing? Wastes of plastic. And in this biodegradable materials like vegetable peels, fruits, other which are degradable by soil, and plastic will not degradable, and glasses. This cannot be degradable because in farmers are using fertilizers. This make the soil will be affected. This is the wastage and dry waste. Vegetable peels, wet waste. Fruits peel, waste tomatoes, dung. This is wet wastage. Dry wastage. Biscuit vapors, chocolate vapors, plastic bottles, and food which are used by hotels and giving covers, that we should not use plastic covers and bags. Here you can see per product of home is equals to total weight of waste materials, number of persons in your family, dumping and decomposition. Now I'll say DTT, trichloroethene, BHC, benzene hexachloride, and ppm, parts per million. And this is the picture for ppm, parts per million. You can see here. And our next topic is, this is the soil pollution. Here you can see paper 20% and textiles 2%, glasses 2%, construction and demo 8%, plastic 15%, organic waste 32%, and composite materials 8%, metal 17%, paper waste 1%, others 5%. And our next topic is deforestation. Deforestation means nothing but cutting of trees. In tree, carbon dioxide will be presented. Deforestation will affect only not forest, will affect human beings also. We take oxygen, will release carbon dioxide with the help of the tree. Trees will give us many things to eat and give us shelter which are made in our home. All products are come from trees only. We can take gum also, it will come from trees only. You can see cutting down of trees. It will be affected. While cutting off down trees, the carbon dioxide only will waste. Only so many things we can lose. And effects of soil pollution. There are 4 types of effects of soil pollution: agricultural, industrial, and urban. Agriculture, how the soil pollution affected means farmers use release of pollution and wastage of chemicals, and which are coming from factories of wastes. Industrial, nothing but which are doing with the metals, the waste of metals, or which are using by the high quality of metals. The smell will be reacted to the industrialization. Urbans, clothing of dresses, there will be a pollution of drinking of water. Urbans will affect so much of pollution of land. And our next topic is controlling of land pollution. There are 4 types. Recycle, reduce, recovering, recycling. Now you can see here the wastages, urban wastages. Daily in our India, 50,000 to 80,000 of waste tons are going from our India. If one day the 50,000 to 80,000 of waste will not go, how should we live? Wastage of recycling. You can see this picture, the wastages of recycling. And our next is biomedication. You can see here. Biomedication. Because of urban cities, the pollution will be reduced. Which are removing the waste. The 50 to 80% there will be at one place only. We will be affected by the pollution of smell, and the pollution will damage. Diseases will come. We cannot live at one place. Natural land pollution. Natural land pollution is nothing but which are naturally our man-made chemicals like chlorine, etc., which are man-made chemicals. it will be natural pollution. And our next topic is soil conversion. We are using so many making different types of chemicals which are affected by the soil. So if the soil will affected, if no trees will grow, we are cutting down of trees and we are not replanting the trees. It will affected. Planting trees and tetra and controlling poaching and crop rotation. In challenges in improving agriculture product, we learned about crop rotation. Crop rotation is nothing but farmers do not only grow one type of crop. If one type of crop we use so many fertilizers, chemicals, means the crop will be affected. Another crop we cannot grow. That is meant by crop rotation. In this total lesson, in this soil pollution, we understand how much soil we are wasting. And the biodegradable materials means nothing but vegetable peels, fruits peels, which are degradable in the soil. And non-biodegradable means plastic bags, glasses and use and throw glasses will not degradable. It will affect the soil. Thank you for spending your valuable time for watching my video.